Hello students, today we will start our second experiment for electrical 6M diploma students, and the aim of the experiment is connection and testing of fluorescent tube light, high pressure mercury vapor lamp, sodium vapor lamp, metal halide lamp, CFL and latest model lamps. We have to also measure its inductance, lux or lumens in each case and prepare a lux table. So importantly, we have to prepare a lux table. We will focus on to measure the lux of these instruments. Now students, the required tools are as below. You will be requiring fixing channel along with tube light holder at two ends of the channel, and the quantity required is one set. We will also require a choke 40 watt 240 volt, one number, blow type. This is glow type starter. It has been misprinted written as blow type. It will be glow type, GLOW. Glow type starter 240 volt, one number, fluorescent tube 40 watt 240 volt, and the quantity is one number. Fluorescent tube, again you will have 40 watt 240 volt, one number. Connecting wires will be 3 by 22 SWG, and the quantity required is as required. So we will also require a combination plier, insulated screwdriver, insulated cutter, neon tester, and an electrician knife. So those things are from well branded companies. You can use Taporia. Now the theory part. The fluorescent light has greatest advantages over other light sources in many applications. So this fluorescent lamp, its connection diagram is very important. Let us study its connection diagram. So as you can see in the circuit diagram, you have a fluorescent lamp starter. It is having a bimetallic contacts. Again, the tube has a cathode and a bipin. There is a ballast, there is a switch, and the AC mains. And as per this connection only, we will put the circuit and we will glow the fluorescent lamp. Me along with Prakash sir will demonstrate you this fluorescent lamp. The connection diagram is as in your screen. Now the working procedure. At first the connection diagram was studied and then connected as per the circuit diagram. So you have to connect the equipments as per the given diagram. The starter was connected across the two terminals, and the choke was connected in series with the fluorescent lamp. Now a tube light or fluorescent lamp of 40 watt was fixed in the frame. The connection was checked once again. If any loose connection was found, it was made correct. The supply was given to the two output terminals of the circuit diagram. Now students, let us discuss for this mercury vapor lamp. We also require here a choke or ballast. It is of 125 watt Philips 200 by 240 volt, and the quantity required is 1. High pressure mercury vapor lamp is of 125 watt 200 by 240 volt MV type, and a capacitor of 2.5 microfarad, one number is required. Along with this, you also require a holder 3-pin type MV type. So this is a special kind of holder. This is not which you use in your household. This is a special kind of holder which we will also show you in the demonstration part. Also we require connecting wires 3 by 22 SWG, and the quantity is as required. So this is the theory part which is left, which you shall write in your record copy. Now we will discuss about its circuit diagram. Students, there is a ballast as I told earlier, and you have 220, 200, 240 volts tappings. You can choose either of these 3 volts, and you have to connect to the HPMB lamp. The working procedure is as follows. First the apparatus was connected as per the circuit diagram, and then the connection was checked. The mercury vapor lamp was then fixed in the holder, and if any loose connection was found, it was made correct. The supply was then switched on. Now the third type of lamp which we have used over here is sodium vapor lamp. In this sodium vapor lamp, you will have a choke or ballast, electronic igniter, lamp, holder, capacitor, and connecting wires. Its specifications is as in your screen. Now the circuit diagram, as you can see here, you have a discharge tube, double walled enclosure, a high reactance transformer, a condenser for power factor correction. This condenser can be your capacitor. So its connection diagram is shown in your screen now. So you have to connect accordingly. Now students, we also have a metal halide lamp in your course. So its connection diagram is, the components is shown as in your screen. Now we will also use a compact fluorescent lamp. Its circuit diagram also you have to draw. And in addition to this, we will also show you a fluorescent tube, a incandescent lamp, and a LED bulb. So you have to note down their lux, and your observation should have all those lux values, which we will demonstrate in your video. So you have to make a observation table stating the lux of different lamps, and after that only you will draw a conclusion. So let us start with the demonstration. वीडियो पूरा रेडी स्क्रीन रेकर्डिंग हो जाए।